a hard thing for me because I have to wake up the babies. And that's always frustrating because they normally go down for a nap at 9:30 and then I have to wake them up when we leave at 10. So I just feel bad. But today's a good day because we have the house cleaner. I don't get a house cleaner often. The last time she came was like 6 weeks ago. But it is just extremely helpful for me, even though I'm doing like the day in, day out cleaning where I'm picking up and doing laundry and mopping and sweeping still. It's really nice to have somebody come do all the deep cleaning stuff that I just can't get to in this season, like the baseboards and behind furniture and things like that. So if I were to be doing that every day, I basically would never have time for anything else. So it's been really a blessing to find somebody who does a good job and is really trustworthy, and so that's why today is awesome. I almost hit a squirrel. So it's always nice because when we go home, I try to keep the kids out the whole time that she's there so that she can mop and things like that. So we usually go pick up milk, and then I'll go to grocery shop, and then if she's still there, then I'll take the kids to lunch. And that way when we get home, we have a super, super clean house. Isn't it nice to go home to a clean house, you guys?
Super duper.
Oh, I forgot. Kai and Shay are not here. It's just blankets back there. So, I don't know where they are. Maybe they floated up somewhere in the sky. Oh, I see Shay. You are so silly. Who knows where Kai is, though? All I see is a blue blanket.
That blanket.
No. That's just a blanket.
No. He's inside of it.
No. You can't be inside of a blanket.
He's under it.
Kai's gone. He's like driving race cars or something somewhere.
No, he's under it.
Oh, he's under the blanket. Here we are.
Yesterday.
And I'm wearing a baby. Sweet little baby.
I could push this.
I'm gonna have you guys push the cart.
I'm a kid.
Okay, come on up. And then I'll cover you in your blanket, okay?
Okay. Slide.
Now we got the Noe cam.
A little ride.
All right. Watch out.
A sticky pipe.
Here we go. Trader Joe's.
Why is nobody already walking in?
No, he's not walking in.
Yeah, he was pushing the cart.
That's really close. Okay. Get some. Okay, guys. Can you put those underneath?
How are you?
Buddy, isn't he cute? Hi, Bo. Oh, look at those pretty flowers. Look at this sweet,
Go up
sleepy
where and
boys. Over there. Ready? Let me see.
Oh, remember yummy tummies? Oh, gummy tummies. Remember you used to give me those if you have curly cut hair. Remember their tummies were full of like jelly.
No, we're not gonna get any of
I
that.
know. I was telling you about that.
Shay has been wanting to try black licorice. Let's see. First, I don't understand that. The first ingredient is wheat flour. That doesn't make any sense. Let's see. Hi, Doo-Doo. What?
What about the soft?
What, baby? I did. There it is. Good job. Can you go put it back, Che? Thank you. Che, over here, buddy. Hi. 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 Good. How are you?
Thank you.
When babies miss their nap, this is what the day looks like. Trying to get them to sleep in the car. Noah is helping me, as usual. She's a good girl. Have you guys ever used Chick-fil-A Curbside? Best thing ever, especially with kids, because right now I'm without Will. The babies are really tired, and there is no way in heck that I'm gonna go in Chick-fil-A with 5 kids at 12:30. So they bring it straight out to your car. I can go park in a parking spot and have my kids scream in the car rather than in the restaurant. But anyway, I would eat outside, but Che has such bad allergies, I don't want to cause him worse allergies, huh, Che? Look at this handsome dude. Hello. Cool watch. Listen to Bo.
He's eating the car.
The only struggle is our order gonna be right or no? We'll
If
see.
it's not done.
Feeding one baby while the other babies eat lunch and watch Liberty Kids. This baby I turned around while we're parked. Hi. Hello. He's hungry now too. Everybody's hungry. When you've got boys, sometimes you just gotta go. Don't you, Che? High five the camera. Say high five.
High five. High five.
Good job.
Going, guys.
Look who pulled up.
Nah.
Daddy,
So
can you
cute.
take us on a ride?
No, because I'll have to drive a little faster here. But
Okay.
I'll ride next to you.
Look how cute he is.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
I love you.
You came right in front of us.
In front or behind? Well, no, then you'll run over me if I fall.
They want to watch you.
But I'm not going to fall.
We'll watch you, Daddy.
All right. Allergy mask.
Allergy mask. No, that's more like the cool mask.
Yeah, bad guy villain
It's
mask.
like the camel glasses and camel mask guy.
Okay.
Oh,
There he goes. fancy meeting you here.
Fancy meeting you guys.
We were doing away.
Huh.
I love that you didn't even question.
I was just hoping it would be
This is
good.
one of the best parts about Will is
Mommy,
I will put something in his mouth and he'll just open up right away. Whereas me, I'm like, what is this?
Mommy, can
Oh,
I
you
have
have, wait, don't flick it. Let me see.
No,
What
I
is
caught a
that?
little worm.
What's that little guy?
Mommy, can I have one of these?
He's just a little half-an-inch worm.
No. No, there's
It's a centimeter worm.
Could be better every time.
He's like, what the heck has been happening to me?
Had a great day.
We're walking into the clean house. Oh, it is so nice. It'll only stay like this for like 5 minutes, but oh man, so nice, so nice to have a clean house. Dance on the clean floor, Noah, dance. Dance. Oh yes, it is so fun. Beautiful. See, she likes to clean house like Mama does. Oh yes. Clean house, Jay, do a dance.
Watch this.
Woo! Look at that leap. She's leaping for joy. Oh my goodness. Look at all this. So clean.
Mommy,
Ooh.
I get
This is one of my favorite parts, is the clean stairs. Yes. Now to go save the babies from their state of despair. Thanks, baby. Save the babies from their despair. It's grocery haul time.
Oh, crumble them up.
Where are we going?
Oh. So one.
Chase holding this blanket that I made for him.
Oh my goodness, I love her rose gold pink hair. Yeah, I'm editing this video right now, so I can do whatever I want. And it's amazing. Looks so good on her. Just had to throw that in there. Spice, a little seasoning.
When he was in my belly, and he's all of a sudden really attached to it, and it's the cutest thing ever. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, gotta get my purse. Hi, cutie.
Another straw. No, that's not.
So Will once had a vocal node on his vocal cords, and he had to get it removed, and then he couldn't talk for like at all for a week straight. So because of the allergies, he's feeling that feeling again. So he's resting his voice a little more, and I really like his voice,
I have to use my radio DJ smooth jazz voice.
which I like.
Welcome to 104.5,
The river.
The Fluff. Or whatever smooth jazz people like.
I call it the John Legend voice.
Yeah, he does.
He's like,
He laughs like
yeah,
that.
so I really liked. How does he talk?
You have such great control over your instrument, and you really chose the best possible
You
notes
sound
for that
just
feature.
like him. Oh my gosh. He never laughs really hard or anything.
He's way too in control for that.
He is. He's way too awesome for that. What is this?
Oh, what part of a bush?
What did you give me?
Mommy, do you know why? Mommy, do you know why I love when you drive?
Why?
Because when you drive, all your love fills the whole car, and I love it.
My love fills the car. Okay, no more, guys. You're hurting the bush.
Don't kill it for no reason.
Yeah, Mom.
Wow, that is so kind. Thank you. Here, Dad.
Go in
Kai
there,
has
girl.
got-
Oh, wow.
Glasses case.
Thank you. I just can't wait to eat this.
I think you should probably put this.
I think
in
I
your
probably shouldn't put it in my shirt.